Whoa! Whoa! That's a view! That is a view! Whoa, biker boys! Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to Tonto National Forest in the beautiful state of Arizona. I got my Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. Let us go for a ride. Tonto National Forest. But to get after it, let's go! Tonto! Now this road leads to the Salt Canyon River, I believe it's called. Salt River Canyon, that's right. Oh, bikers everywhere, bikers galore. That's what I like to see. Tonto! We're heading up in it. Getting in it deep now, let's see. Whoa, this road's shit. Bumpy. Whoa, not a bad view. Well, not a bad view at all. What is this, Route 60? Oh, tunnel blasting. Whoa. Whoa, that's a view. That is a view. Whoa, biker boys. Hello. Whoa. Speed limit here 50. Let's get in it a little bit and then we'll take some stops along the way, get some drone shots. Whoa. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh yes. Yeah! Oh, baby boy! Now we're talking. What's going on up here? Dude! Arizona, I love you. Every day, something better. Every day is just something better than the last. Whoa, cooked it. I cooked it a little bit. What's the speed limit here? Swoopers. Let me slow down and let my friends go ahead of me. Engage. Tonto! Haha! Highway Route 60. What a treat this one is. High speed swoopers. Woo! Get that knee out. Clip the apex. Give the guy a head nod. I gotta keep the focus. Keep the focus. Oh, into 6th. That's beautiful. Keep the focus. Oh, sweet. Watch for animals. Watch for me, motherfucker. Let's go. Oh, Tonto. Nice place. Each day got something more to give. Let's see. If my boy wants to give it to me here. Let's see what's going on up here. Whoa! Look at that view. That's not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. Sound like a dumb motherfucker. Whoa! Look at the road. Look at the road. Whoa, baby boy. This is a good road. High speed maneuvers, indeed. Gotta turn on the map, gotta see what I'm doing. Whoa. Each day is a different test here in Arizona. This road here is all about the high speed 5th and 6th gear switchbacks. Yesterday I was at it was my new favorite road, I think, the Catalina Highway, scenic highway that leads to Peak of Mount Lemon. That road is perfect in my opinion. Oh, 4th gear. My boy, let me go. Whoa, Ridge Rider. rider. This road, I like it, except for the snake in the middle and the grooves. Whoa, he gets stuck in them. I don't like that. Apparently towards the end of this, it's unpaved, so we're gonna flip around there, head back down. I'll do a run with just bike sounds, none of my janky voice, as per usual. Look at these views though. And then we'll head towards the Apache Trail. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Red Rocks Canyon, I believe it's called. Oh, that person's cruising USA. Window, hand out the window. This is awesome. This is a good scenic road here. Now I see why there's so many motorcyclists out here. Pretty sweet. Whoa, what's going on up here? Whoa, hold up, hold up. Look at the views. What's up with the road? I don't like this shoddy tarmac when it's like all black. Whoa, that is a view. What a douche, the Mustang guy. It's not riding everyone's Duke. Typical Mustang behavior. Whoa, whoa, you are. Look at the road up there. It's gonna get snaky in a minute. Damn. Whoa, fucking God, look at the view. Ah, this is the tarmac I like, see? Clean looking. Not that nasty shit. The dark stuff looks all shiny. I don't like that shiny stuff. Whoa, it's getting windy. We're in a high wind area. Ah! Hold on. Whoa! Ah! We're getting blown. We're getting high blown area. Oh, shiza. Look at that. Walker Texas Ranger. Hold up. Oh, baby. This road's nuts. Whoa, coming down with that. These two are racing up there. It's not giving it to him. Whoa, shoddy roads. Shoddy road, take me home. See, I don't like this black stuff. What the hell is it? It's like old tires. Take it slow on that. Keep it tight, it says. Oh, hold on. It's a speed limit. We're going it. Good road. Good road. I have no qualms about it. Whoa, it's a black stuff. I fucking need that shit. Elevation 4,000. Not bad. Whoa, take it easy, big boy. We're in the canyons. What's happening up here? We're in the canyons. Canyon carving. Get that body weight shifted in there. Dude, we're in it. It's pretty sweet. We're in Miami. Miami, Arizona. Imagine you booked your flight to Miami. You got your bathing suit ready, that new bikini, and you wind up right here. I mean, you still get a tan. It's freaking hot as hell. Though water may be scarce. Hold on to your hips. We got some swoopers. Engage the core. Ah! Hold that line. Hug the line. Ah! Hug the line. Oh, I love it. It's warm down here. Oh, that's nice. This is nice. Some nice 80-mile-an-hour swoopers. Well, the road to the Salt River Canyon was all dirt. Oh, what the hell? So I'm heading back to whence I came, and then we're gonna hit up the Apache Trail. Luckily the road back is sweet. You get to go through all those canyons again. I'm gonna stop and get some drone shots along the way. Catch you in a minute, my friends.